Hello, plant enthusiasts. Embark on a green adventure as we delve into the fascinating realm of flora. Today, we unravel the magic of 7 amazing plants that defy expectations by growing from leaves. African violets enchant with their vibrant blooms. Propagate them easily from leaves by selecting healthy ones, cutting near the base, and placing in a mix of soil and perlite. Keep soil consistently moist and witness the magic of new growth. Jade plants captivate with their resilient charm. To propagate from leaves, select healthy ones, let them dry for a day, and plant in well-draining soil. Water sparingly until roots establish, unveiling a new generation of jade beauty. Begonias, a botanical delight, offer diverse leaf shapes and vibrant hues. For propagation, select a healthy leaf, cut at an angle, and plant in a mixture of soil and perlite. Maintain humidity and witness the leaf transforming into a new begonia wonder. The snake plant boasts sword-shaped leaves and resilience. Propagate by cutting a healthy leaf, allowing it to dry, and then planting it in well-draining soil. Low light, minimal water, and patience reveal a new, thriving snake plant. Spider plants charm with arching leaves and air-purifying prowess. To propagate, snip a healthy offshoot or spiderette, place it in soil, and watch it grow roots. Easy care and their signature cascading offspring make spider plants delightful additions. Kalanchoe, a succulent marvel, dazzles with vibrant blooms. To propagate, select a healthy leaf, allow it to dry, and plant it in well-draining soil. Moderate watering and bright light unfold the magic of new Kalanchoe offspring. Succulents, nature's resilient sculptures, come in diverse forms like echeveria and sedum. To propagate, pluck a healthy leaf, let it dry, and plant it in sandy soil. Minimal water and bright light unravel a miniature succulent wonder from each leaf. And there you have it, folks. The awe-inspiring journey into the world of plants that sprout from leaves. If you've enjoyed this leafy exploration, don't forget to subscribe for more botanical wonders. Happy planting!